Assalamualaikum baringolu bifarangal kondong samanda kacala so bi lafa topic dantan na la jawon to wala ndiko ka amna die jawaning Amad Ba exchange of words so le start Amad Ba la revelation la melo ngay wala ke kunu government la press conference on yindo then nobody yafana Suleiman Kamara a referang ay letaro le ki bamfa Kamara kay tan dala ko aba sambala kiti la anum bamfa e mem fanam fo meyati nata ko Suleiman ko abe bamfa sambala kiti la mbo fana nat la nan janne nobody je NPP ko comme NPP ko comme ba tra ka nyamen ro pour kan divide ndamawlu ke fanke ko Ousseynou lem problème moti Ousseynou ko la problème do to UDP sako nana da fonding ke nyaron ko men be UDP mbe audio do na la jamelango amari ka men fo ma interest ba kala bare lafta ko men nafi ko tano men do ke expose lafa ka wole na wala bat nambo audio nyimbo na la jang men kira panja grigara audio di mo jama ya moyle ate literally I dabonene so I hope police will be kalankela la fanana jele bari ay nendro ka dama be ndiro plel na platform tano manke dabot mota ke banana ya expect kon dal mutol bina samala platform le do ka kare so bari nobody je madi jo bade fana ya dabula dia mo dolto me yalon ko jele ko nda sonko dal aman kun dulal to akabe kunna je madi nyol ba kata ka mbaka gambele ka mol confuse to nya dere alay sa ya ba tembo men do nte kunde ngo mama di faham malo munala mission ti mala la fin alon kam bulo munete ana lafta munala gambe banko kan ako aka di jao aka wole ako Amad Ba aka itene molla ka ba itene molla ko menko Amad Ba e menke ay out of office wala birabe office ota ka minister ay kalomenta minister ka kalomenta pour ka si banko la kullu kay kana wanyare madi jo bade ko Amad Ba o tinyale anon to ngamen jawla Amad Ba kumala ko meyanko kukuma balam bare ngalo madi la activism to kukili ngamira mawla kon sa amawle fahamje ka fumay ko overriding public interest and then madi nyol tumando wara ntla miro to ilata tubabu ya man nemuta because niya jibe banko sulanko menti ani menyane kala banko Gambia bi mo be yalo na mo be sonda ko wolen ka corruption o bay ka corruption o expose ka nyanda ka nyame fo nyanda nyanda kala kulti me ko be nyanda kambe na wala bari madi nyol ya mira ko men ko loi fana manna ke mo be fendi me yalon ko mo be ya faham bari niya jibe kube kere me yalon ka be banko moltura loi mantra yiro leje mantra malam bafla nyaadi le totol yeji abe mo hadaba ngol leje so nin ko me yalon ko dron ay ma hadaba ngol tora loi la karola wa hadaba ngol la nyanto kamala anu hadaba ngol me yalon ko loi fon lo wala la nyanto la ko nyanda folal so ngamira madi nyanta woto faham balale nyanda mo so la memba kawon la karola bari diamo diada bari ko men fo malam bafla nyaadi kuma be na fo wati kuma do jeni afo wati do la bu kanem da bari wo mbod so memen kala don sila wala nyindi ko mina dunna Amad Ba la wala kono anen jao ware minister la karola la woti pour contexte janembe video ni nadla na Amad Ba kuma kan men fonfo Amad Ba la diamo kono me yitande wala nyindi ko compagnie men ya lonko be Gambia men ko GSM operator le mudi inata na tanko fana so ka fanya di inata radio soto wona rek fenete me yalon kay media household ay batandi la wala na biring radio bungol to television bungol to bayring GSM operator meme ko gamtel ciusal anen komyom ñol itolle ka advertisement di baka na radio ni television bundal la so ako wo GSM operator meme ko ni telephone company meme ko gamtel ciusal komyom africell ciusal ñolu wolle fansung radio bun soto banko kan woy radio bungol batandi le baring siletina advertisement o sambala ka dina radio bundon ko la duna radio bundon ko sudara ko dolale pour que la molu karandi anem pour kam ila molu fanal muda e ke jo baring staff lel bebulu andum wonata tane la business o ko la ba Gambia ko na ko mi Gambia media house to nyato nyako ko di ko mo la problème da to nyala so ako die jaw me alon ka defon fana munu gine journalist ke balti Gambia aka telephone mo me alon ka tele be num tele marata nung ministry la même marata nung information and communication technology la at the time brimbe laisino di la nung QTV la QCell la pour ye radio operate Gambia ni ko QCell wala ñu do nga ba Q group amanga QCell fond so bari technicality le use je me alon ko wala karola to nyala maka kele ka kenya me wala nyindi ko because ni ko luato ni to ko ite mo mola ti ku keno company jama bi company finance isa ku jama keno as an individual company sa keno le ka fo nyaadi le fan legal personality so ni ko luato karola ita si lono lua kitio la nyamen isitano mo se sambano kitio la nyamen si mo sambano kitio la nyamen wo nyakili ho nyamen company finance mo sambano kitio la company fana mo sa sambano kitio la so ko fo legal personality hana ka tina fo mo ma yalon kay company zero isa fo quand même fo separate legal personality amari fo ning company fo tambe ka ning company nyum boni nyoko so company ka fan su moleti so ñunu ni lafta ka company create tuba kala ne ka ni lafta tapale ya nju jaaj kala e ka company lo la separate me yalon ko ila company membe bulu e ka fo wole be ngin company lo la so instead of ya vandal tam company ya nyum company ka tam so ciu group me yalon ko company balam gambia wolle nata fo ko itulbe company do lo la me yalon ko wole be kala ragi bu ngonyinti a details all from one of them la post kono le bar comme ya ke aussi falen nyama ye comme ye company do lo so amanke ko passer ay ba funo ko directly carte bar ngalon ko company mole ba ko ma do men ba ko ma gambe do atale mbe ngalon jumale be mun ko ma gambe bango ka so wakamala amad bana tan kumon ne fo bira ñu kumo fo nak amandiya dole so memen kala amad bala kumo la moy la ngana da jawla jabiro ani madi jobate kuma kan men fo so folo nga start madi jobate la kumo la astaghfirullah nga start amad bala kuma kan la men fo.
The media houses don't have money in the Gambia. They are poorly paid. People in the Gambia here don't pay for advertisement. And let me tell you the unfortunate thing in this country, which President Barrow never wanted. And I will tell you today, you cannot own a television, you cannot own a huge GSM company, and you own a TV and own a radio. How will the media get money? How will the media get money to pay for advertisement? I'm just telling you. I'm just telling you what obtained in other countries. And then you own a radio station too. And you are the one supposed to be paying the millions to the media houses for them to build capacity, grow, and make money. Cabinet took the decision not to issue license to the GSM companies. Let them be, so that the advertisement industry will grow and make money, the media will make money. I will tell you a story today, and I think you can quote me for it. Cabinet took the decision. Then D.A. Jao was minister as a journalist, senior journalist. He was a minister. He's listening to me. When we came back to cabinet, I asked the question. He said, we have already issued license. Even though we have asked them not to issue license. Today you are victims of that decision. You are victims of that decision, these media houses, because will QCell come to pay for advertisement to you? No, they have a TV. They have a radio. AfriCell have a radio. Everybody will start. Where will you get money? And DA is from your own industry. Let him listen to me. I'm saying this. He's hearing me. Barrow, his government have said, don't give license to GSM companies, because then the elite media industry would not make money that they are supposed to make. Let him respond. DA is listening to me.
Okay, so mbenga amad bala kumo moyle amad baye memfo so sa men do wala nyiko ako DA jawe respond anu DA mana baye bari no one or two things so memfo la DA la ko bari jano let me just bring you what DA said exactly anu another thing me alon ko janta faham la jawlen ko DA la response to Amad Ba the first place abota dame wala ngaje Q TV ngam fale wol me alon ko ko son ka UDP even cover even opposition in general, just to be fair to the other oppositions ibike cover NPP quadron boldo it all follow any statement of publish bring DA Jawe response body so DA la the response wala den QTV ko Demba Ali Jaw's response to Amad Ba. Addressing a press conference on Wednesday, the Minister of Lands and Regional Governments, Amad Ba, accused me of going against a cabinet recommendation to issue broadcast license to a GSM company I guess he was referring to the license issued to Q Group for Q TV and radio while I was Minister of Information and Communication Infrastructure. While I do not have all the details with me right now, but the fact is that all the applications for the license to operate both TV and radio were extensively discussed in cabinet and the approval given for the process to go ahead. It is therefore not true to say that I went against a cabinet recommendation not to issue a license to the Q Group. Q Group. Mama Jai company ba men so de ka ba Q Group. Wala kanyin company ngol wulu lala. Okay. Dear Jao Tentenda Kafo Komengo, while I agree that it may not be quite ideal to issue broadcast license to GSM companies, but there were some mitigating factors that warranted the issuing of those licenses. In the first place, it was not QCell which applied for the license, but Q Group created a separate company, Core Broadcasting and Multimedia Company Limited, which applied for the license and which was legally different from the GSM company. Legal they know how to maneuver it. Therefore, there was no legal basis to deny that company a license because, according to due diligence carried out by Pura, it met all the criteria to be issued one. Who am I to go against the recommendation of the technical experts? May be followed. Another mitigating factor was that a procedure had already been created when another GSM company was issued with a license to operate a radio station few years earlier. As a cabinet minister, I expect Mr. Bah to have known that as information minister, I was the very last cog in the wheel of issuing an operating license to a media house. I depend entirely on the advice of technicians, especially Pura, whose mandate is to carry out due diligence in order to determine who has met the criteria to be issued a broadcast license. Therefore, Mr. Ba was quite unfair to accuse me of going against the recommendations of the cabinet because it was not the case. As far as I am concerned, the process was done in accordance with the dictates of the law. Otherwise, Pura would have not recommended for the issuing of the license for both Q TV and Q Radio, as well as other media license that I signed as a minister. Ironically, this statement was being covered live by Q TV, which, according to him, should never have been given a license to operate. Mr. Ba also seems to have insinuated that I had a personal interest in issuing those licenses. But I would challenge anyone to come up with any shred of evidence that I benefited from any of the broadcast licenses that I had approved. D.A. Jao. So D.A. Jao la statement lo nyindi. D.A. be men fo kan wala nyindi ko atam abalanta la ka fo ko men ko ate nyimen ka nen silo manta ko ni luwala karola ne luwata even though afana na rafan contradict do mandi ako afana yalon ko askeno amanke kuti me yalon ko amanke fere to kuti dal pour kana media house local especially ko ma ko ako bare ate mo sembo so do kanyilu bali bari atembe ni mobe lasino nyinin kala gambe banko kan e ka processol men ka ko labandula ate bolto as a minister ako menu fongol bije minala ko wolle expert oldi minala wolle knowledge ra ko do bake anu ka mako ro ko kiskizoro do bake wolle keta pouradi ako ni wol fongol wala technical expertise ka depend bake wol kan so ni wolle men recommend akate he cannot go against that. So, Barinto Ngamenji wala nyini ko DA man, I wish I could agree with him. This is somebody that I like, to be honest with you. But in this case, I definitely think I mistake ko kejane. Ju jajo kera jane, sila bulol kera jane, walankano kera jane, cool tata nyamal jane, meyan ka manya natala. Bari Q Group, benying dominance position me yaso Gambia economy ya establish nyameng ala kumasi dula la nyindi. So kafotron ko Africell radio sotole. So Q TV fana nyanda sotole womanke kumati. Africell ta nyang wo new na keta ko abe Africell damala bulu wala kelo be diale baje la alsi luwa na no kayta nego baring Africell wo wolme to mabo Afri radio Africell mo be alne be mo kilingoldi. So ise men keno wolen ka luwata ka ke ka luwa dada ka make sure ko GSM operator radio soto me alon ko in this case is going to be obviously Africell ka fo ko mangane luwa manta andu nyante la cia wafi le 100% yela cia mo meta ya be wafi company nyon ko e baje la ko no luwa dunta dron Africell be fola radio nyinola idabe bola jele because Africell dama nyinal taraje Africell is one company me alanko ibe kodo contribute la na economy to nyamen one of them should be giving advertisement to our radio stations and then Africell manyana kala company me alanko radio station obebulu wala television station obebulu bar ni bo fo control say yana di QC TV la iwaja sila kera monede beaucoup sunala so mbe be fola dron koto madi nata na dabula diamo nyi do bari jel kunda sonko ni te ko te dabula je man naka jeli dindi diamo ta kata sia so bari madi mbala fenko read la jang unfortunately I have to read this for you I wish I couldn't but just have an idea what he's trying to say human rights and political activist Madi Jobate says Ahmad Bah should be held accountable for violating his oath of office. Comment by Maudi Jobade. I published and then I think it was picked up by Fatu Network. I will to follow to bring I to be very frank with you. Madi said, first, Ahmad Bah must be held accountable for violating his oath of office. The Oath Act provides that provides the oath of secrecy that cabinet ministers take upon assuming their office. It states that I will not directly or indirectly reveal such matters as may be debated in cabinet or committed to my secrecy. So help me God. Sorry, Madi. Look, yala me fale. Hormone bunya me dalde. Okay, Madi be abe fasaro la jandro. I think this amanjere ngani fangori because ala nyimina kala nkodo landro bare tombi ala nyindo kay tumbe mbafla kufuri ngola. I don't think this was necessary. Let them battle it out. Ya understand DA ko imagine DA ko fighter dala dunga ine prepare na, so why not give DA the chance to go and prepare himself and prepare his defense and better come and explain this to the Gambia public. Nyimu kulete me yala ngo nteta nyinyandi nola, and to be honest dominance position men comme nga fanya men kiu group men so Gambia akira domani amanke komen ko akira overnight, and mol me yala ngo wolle ata be they need to we need to hold them to account wala nge bulay fon le na ye fan sata ye diamo fo bari mole ko mo fo droide ka fo dronko woning ite men fo jang woni kullole masakunda la kullole wodi ngamira o manke kuti me yalon ko anen silo tata. So ni wobote je just a side note ko bari mbe kibaro leldi ka nyamena ko kira in the past 24 hours nga Watson Gambia jibe wolfana len kibar kawa ku dona rabari rokat wasifa dronela kibaro me yalon ko ne aje camera fo ko maskina mambo Gambia wolle kana je ku kaw ku balle ka Gambia fana e ko kenni o dole anen wonne mo dole borda. So I will just read this in English. Good morning Iko what according to Watson Gambia. The police are on the lookout for custom officer Ibrahim Conte, who reportedly absconded with a Mercedes-Benz C2200 belonging to a Gambian living in the diaspora. According to a source, Isa was assigned to clear the vehicle at the Denton Bridge, but vanished with it afterwards. His family members in Bakote were contacted, but his whereabouts are still unknown. Efforts are ongoing to locate him and the stolen vehicle, the source said. Isa, who was employed through family connections, is suspected of numerous illegal activities. One of his colleagues at the GRA office in Brusubi revealed Customs is actively searching for him as well. He keeps changing his phone numbers. We visited his house and learned he hasn't been there for a month. There are several complaints against him. So what can igatom isa kondel mbal natalo kelale screen o kanyan rong momo aja dawda rong police be suwa ringalal. So just comment ka lado chomos do manen tel me bala je bari groupe men fana ka foy ko open Gambia wol funali Mohamed Dia ning barola ning so called economic relationship membe tema because ngamira nsafo no wala nyama economic body ya membe tema wol fanale safero do kala jele ila hedino nyum fanga is a very bold one eko President Barrow and Mohamed Diaz unholy alliance. They are unholy alliance. So wol fanala rakiskizro do kele sainte natalo stata ka finti aning video lu kabonang president yo dula memma fajara layout o kuwanying. And by the way, by the way, in the past 24 hours, Ahmad Bala press conference oto comment ka do bonne nanjedo manendro wala nyene ko ya nyene ka property la ko la kamala kuwanying ako ibe kiziro gala defna ko fay dala dum pray nana e ko ma because usene damento maje ay ngamira yala usene ngamira mala maflanya bulukulu kilingola mati junkuro nyen siri sara lan say nyabe minin kan ngamira they are still claiming ko they need time to be able to do this. But having said that, can remind correct, yes, one of their loose cannons, actually, Panja Grigara made a statement, Mina Mealonko, Fanabejan. But remember, I need continue with Bamfa Kamarala, Kuma Kangolela, Bamfa Kamara Yalong, Atefana, Fenke Duntanyola, Suleiman Kamara. So, Memengala Rombe Bamfa la audio play la jang, I Kumo Bemfo, Damento Yalonko is relevant to Suleiman Kamara, Mbole play la jang, by the video killer for 6 minutes. But Damento Yalonko is relevant to Suleiman Kamara, Mbole play la jang, Ibajal see Lamoy. Ngana Suleiman fanana audio play Suleiman response men di Bamfala. So Bamfala audio felenting. Bamfa ko
wala natil mbadi Gambian ko. Fe na ben ni la moira. Polisol melialon ko ila musol be diaspora. Man sekunda minister melialon ko ila famille be diaspora. Fabakar tombong abe Angleterre lembe tombo mento. Say mo minister ala muso lombang adingul lombang ibe Europe dawo danding aliye pare say nga nyatili nyola Gambia ding man Cairo so Gambia kono wala muso ni dewta Cairo so la nyambang e tuba banko ka jang kotak kata Dubai lombang kata France lombang kata America lombang Europe mo be mo e minister la muso na dimbal lon dawo danding ye ba ma nyol lon dawo danding ale pare ale ñoo commandi ale ke noma baaw ni banku dingul be la banko ka wolte la ñan to sotla atala kala dimbal bondi je ale samba dilaro do ale nat lu mo la banku dingul la ale halak atala membe Angleterre Suleiman Kamara be membe fokan ala dimbal be Angleterre le atala Angleterre kolu ale ta bawo ataba Angleterre kada si Gambia ka bula Gambia dingula ke halati ala dimbala yiri dias Angleterre hani waratul mel be Angleterre atel man ke banku din ken dolti bar say be siri njam banku mo minister lombang minister dingulom bang ngala kibaro moy jang o minister lom mo be diaspora al be pare ikama pare butuo nyatli nyolo londe al solonde Minao fanan dikelo kalalele alnal badi malum Bamfa Kamara ala barka wala natil
okay ali Bamfa la kuma kama moyle ay meyalon ko ay wole fo ka Suleiman Jabi so ngana jibe Suleiman fo ay mun audio si fala fo ki Bamfa because Suleiman fana audio la kinum Bamfa ka itanda la kuma ko yek kuma kama mem fo nga moyle anu ala Jabi ro felandi ngala moy Suleiman la
yo assalamu alaikum Bamfa Kamara ndele mun tom Suleiman Kamara lti ye audio bula or video bula social media on TikTok and WhatsApp ko ibe molle encourage ka UK pour kana family attack not a respond ila phone call ila video la nga audio le keye ko saki but probably amam fote ma but nga safero la kete commence bonde nyote is a warning and donc commence ni mbita nyotle nga men safeli to wala nyinde ko comme reality maybe probably you are very ignorant about social media so social media luwa le soto ay jokono le soto mo ka bula men no and donc politico ndala be politico ko ndala family manta politico men right and democratic right le mbewle keke banko kan ita man ko kewte men sinte intimidate and man ko kete mele signat lintla yekuma ko men fa yefo bari nonetheless comme we are living in a civilized society we live in a civilized society leto men kata France to loi le beje and do loi le start to call follow so just nka for any prepare and nibita another level not only a mera nungo coming actually right men soto nyim banko ka molmo soto have ko ila man nali a mera nungo comment to bisla I think you people are making a great mistake atol jumala tol long during the struggle bila tul be kala mol la family na social media amanke mondi o ka mol la family mi so amanke mondi ko it left abla do la mo ka left abla do so but tumando bato ni kanata nyimma ni talata Bamfa mantra wasuka ba ni betla la dawda ni amoy mo fanka mo la family mention social media bite normal yedani yalon atoli amidal kuma jata kuma manja ndol bo kam woni social media mboka mo kajafi na patio ka wala support na president ko wala support ngala agenda la support ndol boka mo la family mention ndol la dia mo mente wala mi ngente ko menu ka mo neng menu ka mo bane social media ime fanyo ime e ka mo bane ime banyo respect menu ka mo fanyo social media ime fanyo respect yamay wala mon to la preoccupation oti and wala mon to la diamoti and be continue la wala and mota kuno la wat niti amera non ko komen ko itla tubal ka fenela empty threat anin coming recalcitrant behavior all of it ngale tra safe nang pour safe as an evidence is a advice ngame sutna loyal bur pour sa soto and we see prepare and no, I'm not going to leave any stone unturned. I'll tend to intimidate no la ni ko jata ntlo ko jata ngai audio men faden ni lafte sabula ya janjande dula beto ha ni statement no men faden nga safe ni lafta ya ke dunia dula le sa kenoji so mbedan ne wala to mboka la fi comme ka line of cross wandi ke bala kula but mba make sure la I'll make sure justice is done. Hey Bamfa, maybe probably you don't understand even to follow na mentality long or you don't understand na resolve ntolbe missiono norma missiono me alon ko believe tala missiono me alon ko we are prepared to go to any land so maybe yalla almo to understand bedan ne wolto ni mamole ka fane hey abarka ba ke no statement no menke ni response statement no men fana na fo ya fo ma ki but I'm going to send that to you as well.
So buke parakaj ite so far anyway nying I wish mangamela bank banfanya tanya kasila because nyim manke moti mela mo karam tarim balam desan konte kam inte biringa la nyum ko fo fali kado nte fali kado bulala mo dol fana la gambe ban because dol hakilo do atat dolo hakilo kuntutale nka bela foyde nyim fa ya memem fo la nyi ken no tondi Suleiman Camara lawyer da wangala address na pipeline abije ta pipeline adala folo ka akaba la family akabina la abi letero kile normal ta pipeline da abo normal da ye wo folo serve later la ye wo folo serve someone later la ni la lawyer fotela loyal ka serve fotel fanka because da diamo kono ko di la loyal diam dal bari la letero me ya kinda karana jam fam because you are useless left dal na audience ya understand ibe mena kudo bari la letero me ya sa fe ye fangol tokeje ya family andite ko ite loyal so ni loyal so loyal ke la mo sa fe loyal ite mo you are just a client loyal avec letero kila bamfay but ite mo le letero so ya signé ya family so some of you are just social media cloud la ndan ko trom pour molial soute mdesa mala nyuma la ke mo njaw mutati bari Suleiman ifundo ma wara hando man ne ba anyway nga tu ne bamfate ma because ngala nako ite kutuno la bamfala be diam ken sen wala barin sa fo kalanta yaay falo la wadi ñan tujan i kanta tu kan ko len non kono be fande ngel so drona fo be fo le hakiltu so memen no bataje be men kala dro wala ñidi ko ka NPP expose demanding wala ñidi ko ela nafike yalu me yalan ko hani be diam la bari nga fale la malo ba fala ñadi dabo ngamira ay nombo rawlo la siti da la ñum bultundo na men junku ka inna lillahi baroma wulino so ala molu iba juti derer kan ne fon ibe jobo nyaada ka nyaaw te fam baroma wulino so bari dol men bi je men yalon ko ala jobo dolu putu jobolu da siari ngolu kacha kumfi ngolu ya commencer le ka diamu so memen gala rombe clean audio play ja anu nga fale comme nga fale nyamen don te amanke inte be audio enjoy and I don't even encourage you to listen to some of them but me alon ka kumada lafta pour na analysis ka context mbedam medula la chodi gang and me ala audio la may along with me akane do ka da nda foto lawdo mbaytan la munana mbala audio nyin nati gang ani munatina nyil mo molte me alon ko mol nyanta ngi suute nga hakil tudo
assalamu alaikum wa Gambia assalamu alaikum politicians yi nekk Gambia man seen mbokk Panjay Girigara maa leen di nuyu démb
ko nya ka minti tangala ko le boss bam fo no
dañ ma yónnee
mo do programme wala ko la audio be ba min taw pile la ba
Seynou Dabo bi mu am benn kàddu bu mu fa yëkkati boo xam ne képp ku ñoo ooyee kilifa façon kàddu boobu waruloo ko yëkkatee in public àddina si di ko dégg woot bi mu tuddee président Adama Barrow man mi wax ci audio bi sax rus naa pour repeat wax ju mel noonu soo gisee démb ba léegi temps yi nii yépp naa bañ amee ñu Gambie ba léegi waa UDP di lose credibility is because of saaga yi saaga boo ko boolee ci sa politique rek dafa wàññi sa popularity wàññi ñi bugg a ànd ak yow ñi àndoon ak yow sax dañ la fay bàyyi parce que kilifa du saaga surtout koo xam ne dafa taxaw ne nañ ko dénk réew mi muy saaga in public kooku am naa ci yaakaar ne majority Gambian si duñ ko mus a dénk réew mi parce que loolu moo xewoon in 2021 local government elections boobu ay nit la yu dëkk ci ay gox seen waa gox yi xam leen naw leen sànnil leen it has nothing to do with any political party mun na laa taxawal waaye bu la nit ñi buggutee duñ la sànnil wala boog doo fa gañe loolu tax independent candidates ci yenn gox yi ñuy ko win parce que soxlawuñ sax pour political party taxawal leen waaye Ousseynou Dabo yow sa njaboot ngaa gën a yàqal parce que tey ku mel ni Rohey Malick Lowe ak Talib Bensouda dinañ rus lool dinañ am lu leen naqari parce que man ñaar ñooñu musuma dégg fuñ saagee déedéet saa yu Rohey Malick Lowe di wax président Barrow suma broda la cee teg te président Barrow teraanga la ko mus di jikk teraanga la ko mus di ji Adama Rohey Malick Lowe musta wax ju ñaaw président Barrow
so ale ñina kuma male me ananga ñu audio play ja wala be Rohey to fo kanda be Talib to fo ka ñame bari nga understand ko many fon yalan ko malla fi na fereng ite le kana ka mabo dol koma ike fanke ko bol koma ni wol fa man ra ku kilinde ike fanke ko bol le koma pour ka ite ne UDP ko la ni men man ra UDP ko daba manke mo kende abe Rohey men fo kanda wala ñini ko Rohey ka ñamen anen dabo ka ñamen wol manke kilindi Talib ka ñamen anen dabo ka ñamen o manke kilindi ñun ko mon len manke toñati in fact Rohey la audio bi jang 18 seconds man jamfa mbal albeza la moy science ante munabe caring Ousseynou Dabo la ngamira abota diam kan science in defense of kafo Ibrahima memfo infak wala ba caring ibe fello mbal yalla banko kodi kidio ye Ibrahima Sambaje UDP jumal agri lam be sonta ko amanka kudi mela ni silo nyanta Rohey Malick Lowe la position munati briye Ibrahima Samba kidio la Banjul sorry ya Samba ya Ibriya Bula asayra sokono inata na ka murunnan back me yalon ko ya nyamoto kele pour mol jama kana na ka kambe kabenje pour ka protest ke wala wasifal den Rohey me yalon katle mayor of Banjul di baren kito ba ki kam Banjul le amurta back to ala people ala molu kan Banjul ngolo be mol membe kanifi nyoldo serekunda nyoldo bikama nyoldo wolta nyamoto nano la Banjul foka kito tarande ko di ali la moy Rohey la Rohey mem fo woliye
assalamu alaykum UDP fo Banjul ma ngi nuyu ñep mag ndaw goor ak jigéen day wone dañ tok Ibrahima dañ toga rek ñu call Ibrahima di ba ci police bi diko wax ñep ñew dañ ko oyat ci police bi baax na ñu endo jaama dégg jaama gis jaama képp ku UDP re na ñep ñew
okay so ali yalon ko ñimbe Ibrahima fele so amanjere to prove any other thing but yajele ñimbala position menta kan as a UDP leader in Banjul kaje ko ndela njan jiat yodi nyinkelo ya commence ya ke Ibrahima Kamala jamfa nyi sita Banjul jana baramba mek solo jamfa nyi ngatinya by way of ni UDP ko le collaborate mena ko le Banjul jang ngi commande fendi ñu ndol membe banta wolta nya moto nano kan fini birka ma wolta terano la kanani sate ko tangol bande membe Banjul jang tele UDP Banjul nya ron kodi bari ndele meyodi mbafu la Banjul ko be fendi ngamara UDP la position mo nyine science ndol be kambe ni na de so bari ñim molu me ana be ñim fo kan one of the reasons is also kara ñulle ka mol believe ni ko rohi ni aka fo baro ne broda rohi fo man ra UDP yo rebe rohi mo UDP lti revolutionary mind men bala ni rebellious mind men bala skina na wol fonta mi da loya dabot so mala lafta mon point le proof la so nal bala nafika yalla al fata mo la pati memba sol nal bala analysis kala dukare nal bala diamo kala aldang mal bari ko ibem ite dan na nyina dronko kana party leader attack but also kana party divide omena kala kafriyade ala la kiltu so ñine NPP di left ale ñine understand what that is the context me alon ko be ñina audio play ko batami no man sula sota la audio do me audio me alon ko sako be kumol fo kanje useno ya to mamu me be kuma dato jawyalde usene okay so nobody je attendant Ibrahima Dibala case is not the least important, is the last topic but not the least important. Ibrahima case development of dobi me alon ko sainteng kiti bungoro Gambia police force kunu statement of bondila officially kaitande ko Ibrahima charge for sedition and then like charge talk on what is even more outrageous. Let me just read it. The Gambia police initiate prosecution of Ibrahim Adiba at the Banjul Magistrates Court, date 5th June 2024. The police have initiated prosecution against Ibrahim Adiba at the Banjul Magistrates Court on Wednesday, June 5th, 2024. Mr. Adiba is being charged with uttering seditious words against the president, contrary to Section 51. 1A, punishable under Section 52. 1B and C of the Criminal Code, Captain Volume 3, Laws of the Republic of the Gambia. The Gambia Police Force greatly appreciate the public's cooperation during this process and kindly request restraint to allow the police to exhaust all procedures. So, this one I'm not scripted, but I can fully remember what happened in the case. Wala ñini ko itara kiti bungotole Ibrahima, one of the things ila charge sito kono because itel ko ya charge section 51 la, and then the lawyer is saying Ibrahima bori Toure ba fo kan komen ko section 52 is the relevant section and it's not the duty of the court to tell them which section is the right section until ila ruling kala. What I mean is not the duty of the court. Wala the court buka for lawyer ko wala prosecutor ko ni be kare charge la wala ni be kare fengele janda la under this section la until be ruling kala. It's a memfo no wala ko yemen nata better wala man better. Okay, so in the case of just typical example in case kono it ko Ibrahima kumol memfo comment like calling the president greedy, immature, rude, and foolish. Kodi itolko way wala for president. So barnina rajibe itoliye section 51 level, lawyer ko section 51 way wo mu definition of way crime on yene define. So section 52 wole crime on yinke punishable offense, right? So therefore the charge should be a faulty one. I'm correct. Come more charge nyameng I'm correct. So because then kiti obetente na jama nying kiti bungo jama ni mo charge lawyer luka pare charge sito nying ka challenge le yaje ko charge sito correct then because ni ko mo kuge inyanta make sure ya charge kula me alon kai woleke. So bari it's just I think I'm not being biased here, to be honest with you. When it comes to some of these things, I'm under bias. It's common sense. I was a little bit now understand ko mbadi malam bañim fala ñamen best way, but okay, common sense la lawyer quand même for ne loi faham is common sense. Okay, loi mostly I can start from general to specific. So ni ko 51 52. So Nico 51 lem definition of 52 lem punishment on punishable offense bold. It just makes sense. Lua katama wala nyama. And these are principles in law. Me alonko you don't among comment they are applicable to one one particular jurisdiction. Comment wala na mulka lua kara. These are some of the reasons. Munana you go to law school ka lua understand ka operate nyame. Ya understand. Comme example Nico ko comment for the new laws take precedent over old ones. You understand? The specific law takes precedence over the general one. You understand? So Nico anu law ni kasa jamanya me kada one kasa from more general to more specific one. So Nico 51 is just a definition. Well, general where defined. So muna ke punishable offense. But prosecutor anyway, how can you advise? I don't look at Allah cool ke drum. But then submit. And by the way, you prosecutor from Commissioner Sane. I don't know, I have been following him way before this commissioner because he's a prosecutor menu prominent about it. Be even by face in case you know. So, buddy, I left nyancho ya tiyala domandi audio men fana fon yala Ibrahim ala audio ya nyinin ka wala pra sama nan kiri bungo. Itile accusation on that you bring up this allegation against Ibrahim. You cannot even bring the audio to court. Among audio nyina na ka fo lawyer ko ha ila accuse passing all the audio in your record senior. I think that's a little bit childish. Ibrahim has recorded thousands of audios. Which one are you talking about? Which one specifically are you talking about? We need to know. I mean, it had a court. These are still allegations, and the lawyer even had to correct him to use the word allegedly because he was generalizing. He was like literally declaring, which is the duty of the court. Ko Ibrahim did in fact say those things. Yeah, understand? So you need to say allegedly. Yeah, understand? Ko Ibrahim audio and all that. So, and I know they are not good with these things. I have seen one case in the case of Banja case, I was in court. Mbasiring, what was it again? Audio ya record damage, Chinese record damage. You understand? So, malam for state nyin left a case nyin undermine because it only understand ko near audio sama na me alanko iba tender kan as evidence and it has to go through a certain procedure ya certify ya understand ka authenticate and all that. So a new certificate on wala man na code. So Jojo defense was arguing ko let the court kick it out ita yena ye doke so ita de doke after nyinko ko sayam tolbalo na nyadi ko ale o do men nada ni nyim because ibe mo killing wolte tolbalo na fo nyin certified o ale o le nati jumbul abe dunda nyore understand they were not literally coming ita ndala rongolang inyanda kamenke ibukake in all cases ikatra komale ka slagal le demanding ya understand. So Ibrahim la case ite nying accuse ko ay audio ay wala ta record ay kuma jawol fa president ma ite ni audio man na court ya lon silang jukur jagaro nada. So Ibrahim la case wala kitaje. Okay, so but ko nada bandame wala ni ko aramisa lungo ya fo dron ko aramiso man tin londo fo école aramiso ngaro biti o I don't know but école dron aramiso kiti mo ya fo nga fo nyama don just to be clear ako aramiso ibe rulen dilale ka je ko ye labanta damena pour ka fo be tenten no la kaboro wala nyindi ko ka fo Ibrahima la ñing attendez charge to ni ya charge damen to la jeman correct and anyanda 51 ya charge 51 men is just a definition where crime on define le amake as a punishable offense, so therefore it is only punishable under 52 anu ngalon ko nyimbe samaga 52 men banando way fendole mabo kamaje ni futada 52 fata be ko tay lawal so Aba duri buljela itañin case kalan nono. I think it is more or less a foolish case, to be honest with you, because ndamang Ibrahim is seditious. Sedition is a very serious crime, it's a very, very serious crime. Ibrahim has not committed anything. Me alongo is a seditious. Na niko from against in the charge sheet from malam nane mafuji. Anyway, marongan nyaka suwotol. So bari nyulu prosecutor be manna balang Ibrahim ala bail application on because berata la kiti bona sa kiti bongo fana nyanto so dole discretion nyo so ka jibe kala bail ko nyin to make a decision on it ya understand. So Ibrahim ala loyal ala bail apply le state nyin manna balang men keda commissioner sanity for the inspector general of police amam balang ka fo komen ko Ibrahim nyanta bulala on bail amam balang ko la because I don't go hana for is going to be a foolish one. So I nyaka su wodo so magistrate do nata for come atondi Ibrahim Abdullah on bail 100,000 bond and government authority. So ya understand. So case nyimbe wolto iko arami salungo anjikita ka be kila bilti bar comme pour kam fankanda baren dia mola mandia kidi mo afanya ngafo nyama wala to be on the safe side iko lo don arami so iko arami salungo ibe case nying abe continue lale ibaji la ko be rulen dila on ke ñu sabañi bunda ñi mena nga ñi me explainer so ala baraka baake bi kacha bunda be dana jannero so manda kacha bunda be dana later demanding a technical problem ole soto, but ala baraka inshallah we will try to improve on that and then inshallah we will bring you this program more frequently. Ala baraka and have a blessed day ahead of you.